This is a sunflower in the compost, which I'm gonna work on. The heat finally broke some more sunflowers. The compost bin. The heat finally broke. It's August 4th. And as you can see, we have mint, yarrow, lavage, and we also have a honeyberry. Over here we have catmint, oregano, and rosemary. And I already cut the comfrey that was over there, chop and drop. I have a big old raspberry bush. Get raspberries every morning. I think she put chamomile in this one. Of course, Cabbage Patch. Over there we got some bitter melon. It's been plenty hot for bitter melon, so it might be good. Over there we got a potato. I forgot what that yellow stuff was, but she told me that yellow stuff is something, this red, I guess it reached out as far as it could. That's like, gotta be 8 feet tall. Some peppers. Oh gosh, look at this. Oh, look at that one. It's all the way up there to the wires. Sunflower. Oh my God, I hope it don't get electrocuted. And cornflower. Echinacea, tomatoes. I gotta find a way to make another trellis because those grapes are taking off now. Oh my gosh. Those sunflowers ain't no joke. The birds love the sunflowers. We won't get any because they like them so much. I think this is the... Oh, I don't see it's flowering. I don't know where she put the cucumbers. And sweet potato, they're growing good. Holy cow, that thing is huge. I forgot what she said. I think she put beets in here. Another sunflower up there on the electricity wires. Oh, some more sunflowers, sunflowers. Potatoes, I believe. And there's the other grapevine. Those grapes, man. There's enough for everybody this time. Oh, you gotta look at the cantaloupe. Oh no! What's she doing with my cantaloupe? Oh, look at that one. That one's big as my hand, man. Oh. There's one over here. Oops. Over there. She's doing good on the cantaloupes. Another Cabbage Patch. Hey, Cabbage Patch, boy. She really did it up good. I wish she'd come out here with me so she could give you the proper tour. But I just got off work. Look at all that cat, man. I'm surprised the cats ain't jumping in there. Strawberries a little bit. We trying to get it done. This is real nice. I haven't been out here for about a week, and oh my goodness. We got it going on. Lucy did all of this. I just carry bags of dirt. And this is the elderberries. They've already flowered. And now we're just getting ready to get some fruit. Elderberries for elderberry wine. Elderberries. Here is the honeyberry. Honeyberry over there. Oh, I can do the comfrey. Let's see. This is weeds. Siberian mother's wort. Comfrey. That's a good one. Some cat mint, lemon balm, and cocoa mint. This is going to be a cherry tree. It seems to doing pretty good. I gotta get rid of this thing. That thing is making sticky nettle. Here's a currant. This other currant seems to not have made it. Only time will tell. And here is the corn. Finally got it decent. I'm gonna throw some more dirt and nitrogen on there because it's getting ready for making ears. But right now I want it to grow a little bit more. There's the sunchokes. They are looking awesome.
I am